All right, so here's a quick demo of the Hade Pay component. I've just got an example HTML page that it's all set up on. It's actually built as kind of a self-contained component that we can plug into just about any system. So that should help in the future. You know, we've talked about having some sort of white labeling or software as a service, down the road a little bit, and we should be very easily able to convert it to that based on the way it's built here. So I have this example site. I have a content area that's paid only. And you'll see right now I try to go to that and it just redirects me to the sign up page because I haven't yet paid for that content. So I can click on Get Started and the Hade Pay window pops up. Ask for my email address. And it gives me an Ether address to send Ether to. So right now it's constantly checking to see if I've paid yet, and once I pay, it'll let me into that paywall area. So just a quick note, this is on a test network, so this isn't even real Ether, but it's just one variable to change to put it live to the live network. So me as a user, I copy that address, and then I can send 0.1 Ether to, and that's just an example amount, but I can send it using any tool I would normally send to use Ether. You could use the Mist wallet, the Ethereum wallet, Jack's wallet. In this example, I'm just using myetherwallet.com. So I choose the address, amount to send. Oh, okay. And generate transaction. Send transaction. You're about to send, yeah, yes, I'm sure, make sure transaction. All right, so it'll then take a little while, a few seconds to actually, for this to realize, for this to see when the transaction has gone through, and that's just based on how the Ethereum network works. But at this point, the customer could just close the page and come back because everything is now happening on the back end, that middleware we talk about. And then when they come back to the page and it's seen that the transaction has gone through, they'll be forwarded to that that paid content. So there we go. The transaction went through, and I was automatically forwarded to the paid content site. This is the URL we were trying to do at the beginning, and there you have it. So that's Hade Pay in action. Like I said, this could be plugged into any site pretty much. We just have to interface it with the user management system, and there you go.